Bitcoin just hit all-time highs. But the real money is about to be made. These 5 low-cap altcoins are primed to explode in the next 12 months, and if you miss them, you'll regret it for years. I've got the inside scoop from a crypto millionaire who's calling the next 100x plays. Let's break it down before FOMO kicks in. Look, most people think the crypto money train is over. Bitcoin already did 1,000,000%, right? Wrong. We're still early. Every single bull run, the biggest gains happen in altcoins, and we're right at the cusp of Altcoin season. If you bought Solana at $2 or Doge at $0.001, you'd be retired by now. Well, this is your next Solana moment. And today, I'm revealing the 5 best altcoins to buy before they go parabolic. Sway, the next Solana? Sway is quickly emerging as one of the most promising Layer 1 blockchains in the crypto space, and yet it remains massively under the radar. Developed by Myston Labs, a team of ex-Meta engineers who previously worked on Facebook's ambitious but ultimately shelved Libra project, Sway combines cutting-edge technology with a visionary roadmap. These aren't just any engineers. They were behind one of the most technically sophisticated blockchain projects ever conceived, and they've taken that experience to build Sway from the ground up. What sets Sway apart is its blistering speed and unmatched security, qualities that have already caught the attention of major players. In a bold signal of confidence, Microsoft recently formed a strategic partnership with Sway, integrating aspects of their blockchain into real-world enterprise use cases. With a current market cap hovering around $3 billion, Sway still has plenty of room to grow. As we approach the next alt season, the potential for a 10x return is not just hype, it's a realistic projection based on fundamentals, network growth, and strategic positioning. Why buy now? Retail interest in Sway is skyrocketing as more users and developers flock to its ecosystem. Unlike many other altcoins, Sway is structured to be US-friendly, a huge advantage when it comes to attracting institutional capital, especially given the regulatory crackdowns on non-compliant tokens. On the tech side, Sway uses the Move programming language, originally developed for Libra. This language offers greater security, speed, and scalability compared to Ethereum's Solidity, making it safer for developers and faster for users. With a powerful team, enterprise-grade partnerships, a developer-friendly foundation, and a supportive regulatory stance, Sway isn't just another altcoin, it's a potential Ethereum and Solana rival. And right now, it's still early. Genzilla is not just another hype-driven token riding the crypto gaming trend. It's a full-fledged AAA game studio delivering something few in the space have even attempted: a cinematic quality shooter, off the grid, backed by real Hollywood talent. The project is directed by none other than Neil Blomkamp, the visionary filmmaker behind District 9 and Elysium, which speaks volumes about the scale and ambition behind this title. Unlike most crypto games that rely on existing infrastructure, Genzilla is building on its own proprietary blockchain designed specifically for seamless gaming integration, giving it an edge in speed, scalability, and user experience. At a current market cap of only $33 million, Genzilla is shockingly undervalued considering what's already been accomplished. The game is currently in beta, with over 200,000 daily transactions already happening on the network, a strong signal of active development and early user engagement. Most blockchain gaming projects are little more than promises. Genzilla has real code, real gameplay, and a real vision. Why this could 50x? Genzilla could become the first true Web3 game to break into mainstream consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, something that no other project has successfully achieved at this level. This would be a massive breakthrough, opening up blockchain gaming to millions of console gamers who have never interacted with crypto before. And the timing is critical. The GUNS token unlock is scheduled for 10 months from now, which gives investors a window of opportunity. Accumulating early could offer substantial upside before potential volatility kicks in around the unlock period. With a functioning beta, a Hollywood director, console ambitions, and its own blockchain, Genzilla is positioned to be one of the first major Web3 gaming success stories. Most of the market hasn't caught on yet, but when they do, the current price could look like a steal. My network, FHE. as one of the most overlooked projects in the entire crypto space, but it may also be one of the most crucial. With a current market cap of just $26 million, it's easy to miss. Yet this small cap token plays a major role in solving what could be the biggest unsolved challenge in Web3, privacy. Built around fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, my network enables encrypted data to be computed without ever being decrypted, a breakthrough that's been called the Holy Grail of cryptographic finance. For institutional players like hedge funds and banks, this isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's essential. It allows them to trade on-chain while keeping proprietary strategies and sensitive data completely confidential. What makes this project even more compelling is its exclusive partnership with Chainlink. As Chainlink pushes forward with CCIP, Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, it's quietly integrating privacy layers to meet the demands of real-world finance. That's where my network comes in. It provides the privacy infrastructure needed for large-scale, secure, and compliant on-chain trading. In many ways, this makes it Chainlink's secret weapon, an enabler of the very privacy that traditional finance institutions demand before they even consider moving significant assets on-chain. Why it's a sleeper hit. Fully homomorphic encryption isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a revolutionary leap forward in how encrypted data is handled and processed. Until recently, this type of technology was thought to be too slow or too computationally intensive for real-world use. My network is proving otherwise, with a practical implementation tailored specifically for the needs of financial markets. Its deep alignment with Chainlink ensures that it will play a role in any serious movement toward institutional adoption of decentralized finance. If institutional interest in blockchain continues to grow, and it's already being explored by names like Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and BlackRock, the demand for encrypted, privacy-preserving infrastructure will surge. In that scenario, FHE-based solutions like my network could go from niche to necessity. Given its low current market cap and strategic position, a 100x return is not out of the question if the institutional wave materializes. This is the kind of asymmetric bet that defined early investments in Ethereum and Chainlink themselves. While the spotlight has been shining brightly on Hyperliquid, savvy traders are quietly shifting their attention to Bluefin, a high-performance perpetual DEX built on the ultra-fast Sway blockchain. At a modest $33 million market cap, Bluefin is flying under the radar, but not for long. With its recent surge in visibility following a high-profile security breach in rival Cetus, Bluefin has gained market trust as a faster, safer, and more efficient alternative for on-chain derivatives trading. Its edge lies in its architecture. SUI's scalability ensures sub-second latency and lower fees, giving traders an experience that rivals centralized exchanges. What's more, Bluefin isn't just built for speed, it's built for sustainability. It operates on a revenue-sharing model, allowing token holders to earn a portion of platform fees, creating long-term incentives for user engagement and loyalty. With latency speeds clocking in at 100 milliseconds, trading on Bluefin feels indistinguishable from using a platform like Binance, without the need to sacrifice control of your assets. A major DEX listing is also rumored to be on the horizon, which could serve as a catalyst for significant capital inflow. Why traders will flood in? Traders are hungry for decentralized platforms that deliver CEX-level performance, and Bluefin fits the bill. It offers high throughput, strong tokenomics, and a user-first design, without compromising on self-custody. With on-chain activity climbing and the collapse of trust in certain competitors, Bluefin is emerging as the go-to platform for serious traders seeking both speed and safety. The upside potential from its current valuation is substantial, especially as perpetual DEXs continue to gain market share. WorldCoin, WLD, is one of the most divisive projects in crypto, and that's exactly why it has such explosive potential. Founded by Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, WorldCoin aims to solve the increasingly urgent problem of digital identity in an AI-dominated world. The concept is simple but controversial: scan your eyeball to prove you're human. It's a bold attempt to create a global proof of personhood system that can distinguish real people from bots in a world where deepfakes, AI-generated content, and identity fraud are on the rise. Despite widespread ethical concerns, adoption is already underway. Tinder has begun integrating WorldCoin's technology to combat bot accounts, proof that real-world platforms see utility in it. With a $2 billion market cap, it's no longer a micro-cap sleeper, but the upside is still there. As AI continues to proliferate, the demand for reliable identity verification will only increase, and WorldCoin is positioned as the most advanced solution currently available. Love it or hate it, WorldCoin has become the ultimate contrarian play. The ethics are murky, the optics are polarizing, but the use case is compelling. As more exchanges list WLD and the AI boom fuels the need for secure human verification, price momentum seems inevitable. You don't have to love the concept to profit from its adoption. In fact, the controversy may be the very thing that draws attention and capital. Sometimes, the most irrational trades are the most profitable, and Fartcoin is proof. Born as a joke, this meme coin has surged over 1,000% and shows no signs of slowing down. With $300 million in daily trading volume, it's attracting serious liquidity from across the crypto landscape. While traditional investors scoff, degens are doubling down, betting on the one thing meme coins consistently do best: defy logic and pump hard. Fartcoin embodies the ultimate hated rally, a project so absurd that its very stupidity becomes its strength. Rumors are swirling about a potential Binance listing, and if history is any guide, meme coins that achieve major exchange listings often see exponential gains. The market is driven by narrative, and Fartcoin's narrative is both outrageous and irresistible. Should you buy? This isn't a long-term hold or a fundamental bet. But with the right timing, a small allocation in a meme coin like Fartcoin could turn into outsized gains. It's not about belief, it's about momentum, memes, and mass psychology. In a bull market, even the dumbest coins can become the smartest plays.